feel free to wander and let me know what you think. Thank you.
Lined up to take a look, this open home today saw plenty of foot traffic, with at least some buyers still optimistic in the face of sky-high prices.
It's fairly horrendously expensive, I guess, but there's a few places we can just afford, I think.
And bucking national trends, unit prices in the capital are still on the up. While values in Sydney and Melbourne rose by less than 1% in the 3 months to January, Canberra saw a 5.6% increase.
You know, it didn't really see a decline at all through COVID, and January brought the entire dwelling market to 30 months of consecutive growth.
Analysts say Canberra's consistent, relatively high incomes and strong demand are driving growth, but they're not the only factors.
It could be that there's a bit of a rush to buy and sell property at the moment, while mortgage rates are still relatively low.
And while growth in prices for detached houses has slowed, agents have seen a major adjustment in buyer expectations.
We're definitely seeing a big shift from first home buyers who have been priced out of the housing market, now looking at units as an alternative. And we've also got on top of that, people who have owned their home for a little while. They've seen a huge jump in their equity over the last 2 years, and they're looking to invest that.
Houses in Canberra are now typically around $400,000 more expensive than units, with the ACT now home to the biggest dollar value gap between those property types of any capital city in the country. And while the prospect of an interest rate rise could see that gap narrow, some say waiting isn't necessarily the best strategy for buyers.
January's results at least surprised to the upside. So it's difficult to say when that relief is actually going to come into play for buyers.
If I was a first home buyer, I would just jump in. I don't see Canberra going backwards ever.
Even so, it's still a seller's market. Harry Frost, ABC News, Canberra.